Hey there, everybody. This is Reverend Wilson. I am so pumped. I am so excited. Look what came in this package, folks. This is everything that you need in a box to get your number one residual income system up and running fast. Look at this wealth of information that you are going to receive in your package. Folks, this is absolutely powerful. And there's the welcome letter right there. Welcome to Krista Wilson. That's my beautiful wife. We're working this thing as a team. All right. Our ABM number is 3985. Folks, that's our sponsor right there, Mr. Timothy Thomas. I thank God for him. We've worked together for years. And then you got your leads over here, folks. Look at that. You got your leads to start mailing to immediately. And then we come over here down the road here on the buffet bar. You got your starter kit, $50 a month. Folks, that's all it takes to join the new America's Residual Income System is $50. Folks, guess what, folks? You're going to earn $30 fast start for every starter you refer their first month. Folks, you can build a weekly income alone with just these $30 fast starts. You're also going to get 50 leads every month, okay? Unlimited follow up to your prospects. And then, folks, $10 a month every month from the persons that you bring in, the persons that they bring in, and the persons that they bring in. Down your second and third level from all their referrals. Folks, this is crazy. And then we have the examples, folks, that if everyone just got five $50 starters and everybody did the same thing down three levels, folks, that's $15,000. That's $1,500 a month, $18,000 a year. Now let's bump it up here, folks, and say everybody got 12 down three levels. That's $18,000 a month, $226,000 a year from a $50 monthly startup. What are you waiting on right now? You need to be going to the site right now, myIncomeDouble.com, 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 and yours can double too. As a bonus, when you get your kit, folks, you got a coupon here that will save you 50% on your first order of 1,000 postcards or more. Folks, this is crazy. This is ludicrous. And then you don't have to mail postcards. We have a powerful flyer that you can just request the PDF of this flyer with your reference number right there. There's the phone number that you can call and hear the owner, Paul, explain this powerful system. And then you can also listen to testimonials as well. Folks, this flyer is pulling and is pulling like crazy. All right. And then we come over here to the next page. We have a lot of ways that you can get free postcards, distributorship ideas, classified advertisement, different ads you can use in your classified advertisements. Folks, this is powerful. The cost of the postcards, we got several postcards that you can choose from. And I'm going to show you the ones that I'm using as well. Okay? And then we have a form for you to fill out and send back in to the company so they have it on record that you understand and agree to the terms and the conditions. Folks, that's it right there. This is it right here. Everything you need is right here in this marketing kit. Look at all this information. And then in this envelope right here, guess what? You got a souvenir dollar bill, a refrigerator magnet, samples of all the postcards, and we have drop cards. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Now it's 4 in the morning here. Okay, while I'm taping this, because I'm pumped. I couldn't sleep. All right. Now, this is, let me turn this around here. This is the postcard that I'm going to be using. You already have residual bills. Now you just need residual income. You are invited to join America's #1 residual income system. It can bring in hundreds, even thousands every week. And that's one postcard, okay, that you can choose from. Here's another postcard you can choose from, okay? There's another you can choose from. There's several. There's another postcard you can choose from. Look at that. 50 bucks gets you started. Another postcard, double your income. 50 bucks gets you started. Another postcard, several postcard templates, folks, that you can use. 50 bucks gets you started. What are you waiting on? Don't allow a measly 50 bucks to hinder your financial destiny. You can go right now to myIncomeDoubled.com. 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 And then what you want to do when you go there, you're going to put in your name, your information, and then your referrer is 3985. My beautiful wife, Crystal Wilson. We're both working this thing together as a team, as a family, and so can you. And then you can go ahead and get started and get on our team today because we are in the midst of a 90-day blitz. A 90-day blitz. We want to help you get 90 people on your front level, 90 on your second, and then 90 on your third. This is our 90-day blitz, and we aren't playing around. And if you aren't playing around, go ahead and get involved right now. MyIncomeDoubled.com. Go ahead and enter 3985. You'll see Crystal Wilson, my beautiful wife. We're working as a team, working as a family, and so can you. Let's get you on the #1, not #2, not #3, not #4, but the #1. And as it says on the postcard, right here, the #1 residual income system. Create your own financial bailout. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. God bless you.